Millions of people are eating okra every day, thinking they're doing their body a massive favor, and they are. But here's the problem. Most of them are making the same critical mistakes that are either canceling out okra's powerful benefits or putting their health at serious risk without even realizing it. If you're taking okra regularly or planning to, you need to watch this entire video first, because what you don't know about okra could actually be working against you. Mistake number 1. Taking okra while on metformin or diabetes medication. This is hands down the most dangerous mistake people make with okra, and it happens more often than you'd think. Okra has powerful insulin-like characteristics that naturally lower blood sugar by slowing the absorption of glucose from the intestinal tract. Sounds like a good thing, right? But here's where it gets dangerous. If you're already taking metformin or any other diabetes medication, combining it with regular okra consumption creates a double blood sugar lowering effect. Your medication is already working to bring your glucose levels down, and now okra is doing the same thing simultaneously. This can push your blood sugar dangerously low, resulting in a condition called hypoglycemia, which causes dizziness, cold sweats, confusion, and in severe cases, loss of consciousness. The research is clear. Okra contains compounds like miracetin that enhance insulin sensitivity and protect the beta cells in your pancreas. These are powerful physiological effects, and when they stack on top of your prescription medication without your doctor's knowledge, the results can be unpredictable and dangerous. The fix is simple. If you are on a diabetes treatment plan, inform your doctor before drinking okra water or significantly increasing your okra intake. Never self-manage your dosage adjustments. Okra is not a replacement for your medication. It's a complementary food that requires medical supervision when combined with prescriptions. By the way, please help our channel grow by clicking subscribe. Mistake number 2, throwing away the mucilage, the most powerful part. So this is a mistake that drives nutrition experts absolutely crazy. So many people go out of their way to remove, avoid, or reduce okra's sliminess without realizing that this gel-like substance, called mucilage, is actually the most therapeutically powerful part of the entire vegetable. That slimy coating people hate, it's doing incredible things inside your body. The mucilage in okra reduces irritation in your stomach and gastrointestinal system. It helps with gastritis by blocking the adhesion and colonization of H. pylori, the dangerous bacteria responsible for causing stomach ulcers. It also binds to toxic metabolites in your digestive system, preventing them from being reabsorbed back into your bloodstream. This is how okra actively lowers your LDL cholesterol and reduces your risk of arterial blockage and heart disease. If you've been boiling okra to death, over-processing it, or specifically choosing preparation methods to eliminate every trace of sliminess, you are throwing away the very compound that makes okra so extraordinary. Yes, you can reduce sliminess through roasting at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, grilling on medium-high heat, or sautéing with an acid like lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. But the goal should be managing the texture, not completely destroying the mucilage and its benefits. Mistake number 3, drinking okra water without knowing how to prepare it properly. Okra water has exploded in popularity, especially among people who dislike the texture of cooked okra. But many people are preparing it incorrectly and either missing out on its full nutrient potential or consuming it in ways that reduce its effectiveness. Here's what you need to know. Okra water is about as nutritious as raw okra pods because many of its most powerful compounds, including phenolic compounds, antioxidants, and B vitamins, are water-soluble. This means they infuse directly into the water during soaking. The water becomes loaded with thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, vitamin B6, folate, and potent antioxidants like quercetin and flavonoids. The most effective method is soaking okra 4 to 5 pods overnight or for up to 24 hours in clean water. Some people dice or halve the pods before soaking to increase the surface area exposed to the water, which maximizes nutrient extraction. Blending the pods like a smoothie is another effective variation. The mistake most people make is soaking only for an hour or two, using too few pods, or discarding the pods without squeezing out the remaining nutrients. Another common error is adding sugar or other sweeteners to the water, which completely undermines okra's blood sugar regulating benefits. Drink okra water consistently in the morning on an empty stomach for the most significant impact on blood sugar regulation, cholesterol management, and immune function. Mistake number 4, ignoring okra because of its texture and missing out entirely. This might sound like an obvious mistake, but it's actually one of the most widespread. A huge number of people have written okra off entirely because of its slimy texture, and in doing so,
they're missing out on one of the most nutrient-dense, therapeutically powerful vegetables available. Let's look at what they're walking away from. Just 100 grams of raw okra contains 33 calories, 7 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of protein, 3 grams of fiber, and significant levels of magnesium, folate, vitamin A, C, K, and B6. These nutrients work together to protect your cardiovascular system, regulate blood sugar, support bone health, improve vision, and strengthen your immune system. The polyphenols and flavonoids in okra have even been found to reduce levels of lactic acid and blood urea nitrogen after exhaustive physical activity, meaning okra actively supports workout recovery and energy levels. On top of that, it increases circulating antioxidants, including superoxide dismutase and glutathione peroxidase, 2 of the most powerful antioxidant enzymes your body produces. The good news is that texture is completely manageable with the right cooking method. Roasting okra whole or sliced lengthwise with olive oil at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes gives it a crispy, almost nutty flavor with zero sliminess. Grilling on medium-high heat for 3 to 4 minutes per side adds a smoky, charred flavor. A quick sauté over medium-high heat with a splash of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar delivers a bright, tangy result with a tender texture. Don't let texture be the reason you miss out on all of this. Mistake number 5, eating too much okra too quickly. One of the most common mistakes enthusiastic, health-conscious people make is going all in on okra from the start. They watch a video, get excited about the benefits, and suddenly they're eating 20 pods a day. This approach almost always backfires. Introducing large amounts of okra's high fiber content too quickly can cause excessive gas, bloating, cramping, and even diarrhea. Your digestive system simply isn't accustomed to processing that volume of soluble fiber all at once. This leads people to conclude that okra doesn't agree with them, when the real problem is simply the pace of introduction. The recommended safe daily amount is approximately 100 grams of raw okra, which is around 8 to 10 medium-sized pods, but you should never start at this level. The right approach is gradual. Week 1, 2 to 3 pods every other day. Week 2, 2 to 3 pods daily. Week 3, 4 to 6 pods daily. Week 4 and beyond, up to 8 to 10 pods daily. This progressive approach gives your gut microbiome time to adapt to the increased fiber load and allows the prebiotic effects of okra's mucilage to take hold, promoting the beneficial gut bacteria rather than causing digestive chaos. Mistake number 6, taking okra with medications at the same time. This is a subtle but critically important mistake that most people never think about. The same high fiber content and mucilage that make okra so beneficial for your digestive system can also interfere with the absorption of oral medications when taken at the same time. The mucilage and soluble fiber in okra slow down the rate at which everything moves through your digestive tract, including your medications. This means that pills or capsules you take alongside an okra-heavy meal may be absorbed more slowly, reducing their peak effectiveness or altering the timing of their action in your body. This is particularly important for time-sensitive medications, such as blood thinners, heart medications, thyroid medications, and antibiotics. The solution is straightforward. Take your medications at least 2 hours before or 2 hours after consuming okra or okra water. This simple timing adjustment ensures your medications are absorbed properly while still allowing you to enjoy all of Okra's health benefits throughout the day. Mistake number 7, not being consistent enough to see real results. The final and perhaps most underrated mistake is expecting overnight results and giving up on Okra before it has had a real chance to work. Okra's most powerful benefits, lowering your A1C hemoglobin, raising your HDL cholesterol, reducing chronic inflammation, improving your gut health, and protecting your arterial walls, are long-term outcomes that require consistent, sustained consumption. The bioactive compounds in okra, including its antioxidants, fiber, pectin, and mucilage, work cumulatively. Every time you eat okra, you're making a deposit into your long-term health account. The polyphenols are reducing inflammatory markers. The fiber is feeding your beneficial gut bacteria. The antioxidants are neutralizing free radicals and protecting your heart and blood vessels from oxidative damage. People who are consistent with okra in their daily diet, whether in soups, stews, roasted as a side dish, or as okra water in the morning, are the ones who report sleeping better, feeling more energized, experiencing more stable blood sugar levels, and seeing meaningful improvements in their cardiovascular health markers. Start today. Be consistent. Add okra to your stews, your soups, your grilled dishes. Drink okra water in the morning. Give it at least 4 to 6 weeks of daily use before evaluating its impact on your health. The results will speak for themselves. If this video helped you, share it with someone who takes okra regularly, because they might be making one of these mistakes right now without even knowing it. Drop a comment below and let us know which mistake surprised you the most.